Last time we covered network troubleshooting. Today we are going to talk about routing. Routing is very essential for our network. So this is the process that help data get from one network to another, and it is crucial for making everything run smoothly. Let's break it down for you guys to grab the concept of it. But first of all, give me a definition about routing in the comments below. I will take it out. As for me, routing is the process of directing data from one device to another across different networks. Routers are the devices that make routing possible within our networks. So with, with a router, you can able to route packet from one network to another network. Let's look at the different type of routing. We have static route. This is when a router is manually configured with a specific route to reach another network. Think of it like setting up a roadmap for your data. It's it's simple but doesn't adapt if the network changes. For any network changes, it will not adapt with static route. But we have another one we call dynamic routing. With dynamic routing now, dynamic routing allows routers to automatically adjust and find the best path for data using routing protocols like RIB, OSPF, EIGRP, EIGRP. So this is like using GPS, like using GPS. It will find the fastest route for you even if the road changes. Then we have default routes. If a router doesn't know where to send a data, it will send it to a default route like the backup. It's like a backup plan. This is useful for small networks or when you have a router connecting to the internet. As usual, I always back up my questions like, why does routing matter? Routing is what allows devices, there are different networks to communicate with each other. With routing, different networks can now able to communicate with each other. Without routing, devices in separate network won't be able to talk to one another. So, if you want to get into networking at a higher level, understanding routing is very essential for your studies and it's very essential for your core of work. And that's a quick overview of routing. In the next video, we will dive deeper into IP addressing and how it helps devices find each other on the internet. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of the videos. See you next time.